guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and I am a micro-influencer. I actually share micro-influencer tips, tricks, and behind the scenes on my channel. So if that is something that interests you, please subscribe down below and let's just get right into this video. So today we're talking about media kits. So what is a media kit, you ask? It is a social media resume for influencers or content creators, and it's basically showcasing what you can do on social media. So let's just talk about the things that you need in your media kit. You're going to need 1 to 3 sentences about you, so kind of talking about who are you, where are you from, what do you do, what kind of influencer are you, stuff like that. You're going to want your demographics listed. Which is basically what gender, percentage follows you, where people live, all of that stuff. You're going to want to show your statistics, which includes engagement rate, impressions, all of that kind of stuff. You're going to want photo examples. You're going to want all of your social medias linked, and you're going to want to list past partnerships. And if you don't have any past partnerships, that's okay. You can kind of leave that blank when you first start. You also want to talk about what you offer, so your deliverables, which we will dive into. But now that I told you everything that you need in your media kit, like an overview of that, I'm going to actually show you a little glimpse of mine, and then I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make one. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so first I feel like we should talk about the overview of like what you need in a media kit. So let me quick run through that. I have all of the things listed right here for us to go through, and then I'm going to show you my media kit and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make a media kit. So let's just get right into it. Here's the overview of what you should have in your media kit. A couple sentences about who you are, your demographics, your statistics, some photo examples of your work, your social medias linked, past partnerships if any, and what you offer as far as deliverables. So now that we went through that, I'm going to hop on my iPad and I'm going to screen record my personal media kit, kind of blocking out some of the statistics because I don't want to give everything away, but I will then also walk you through how to make one for yourself, and then that will be it. So let's just get right into this. I'm really excited to show you mine and to show you how to make your own. Okay guys, so really quickly I'm going to show you an overview of my media kit. The About Me section is really short and brief. As you can see, I think it's like 3 sentences or something like that. You're going to want all of your statistics, like your follower count, impressions, engagement rate, and accounts reached. You're going to want to put down your demographics like gender, age, location, and you can find all of this in the Instagram Insights, by the way. All of those logos, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube are all linked, and I showed you briefly how to do it in the next couple clips, but yeah, this is my media kit. Okay, so let's make your own. You're gonna open Canva. I have the free version. Type in media kit. I wrote it with my Apple Pencil if you're confused. You can choose any of these, but I like to use my own. I like to make it from like scratch, basically. So I'm scrolling down here to pick a photo that I want to showcase like myself with, and I also chose for the media kit to be pink. I like to rebrand myself around the spring and summer, so my other one was like black and white, but you could make it whatever colors you want. Then I recommend putting your name at the top and only stick to like 3 different fonts, so you'll see that. But yeah, so then you're going to add like what kind of influencer you are. So I'm a fashion and lifestyle, so I'm just writing that out. You're gonna see that I have trouble like typing things apparently, so yeah. But then you're gonna wanna put like the Instagram logo, so I'm typing that in. You could choose whichever one you want. I chose this one, and I chose to change the color to white so it popped a little bit more. Here's where you could type in your link. I would just copy and paste it in there, and it's linkable then. I'm just kind of showing you how you would do it. And you'll see that again here in a second. You type your Instagram link. See? And then I am just adding in my email address so that they know what my email address is, I guess. It's good to include all of that information. So I'm putting that there. And then I'm adding an About Me section, which I already talked about, but Obviously, you're just gonna write a couple brief sentences about yourself, like, hi, my name's Kate, I'm a influencer, or a fashion and lifestyle influencer, and blah, 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 blah. And then you're gonna add all of your insights. So you're gonna find this on Instagram Insights as long as you have a creator account, and you're basically just gonna fill in the information for a month, because you can change it from like weekly or monthly, blah, blah, blah. So you're gonna want it monthly, and you're gonna put your numbers there, and your engagement rate you can actually find on different websites, but we could get into that. If you guys have that question, just let me know in the comments, and I will direct you to the website that I found my engagement rate at. And then you can choose an element like this if you want. You don't have to. Obviously, this is all customizable, but whatever you want. So as you can see, I put stats are based on a monthly basis, and then your engaged audience. So this is where you're finding like your demographics, you know, gender breakdown. You're going to look at where people are located, that kind of stuff, which you'll see in just a second here. You probably saw on my own media kit that my gender breakdown, like I had 82% women or something like that. So you're just going to want to have that listed there because brands are going to want to know that information. And then you're going to want to add some more photo examples from your Instagram. So here I am just adding them at the bottom. This took me a while to like figure out how I wanted to do this in the first place, but this is like just a really sloppy copy of how I made it. I have a lot of pictures saved, as you can see, but obviously just put your own pictures if you can. So there I am, just like resizing everything to make it fit. And then on this page, you're gonna wanna add any other platforms you're on, which for me, like I don't have a huge following on any of these other platforms, so I just kind of put, these are the ones that I'm growing on currently. But if you have a big following on, like, let's say TikTok, you're gonna wanna add another page just for your TikTok, or the first page will be dedicated to both Instagram and TikTok. But for right now, I'm not that big on other platforms, so I just kind of list it as other platforms that I'm growing on. And then here I'm kind of breaking it up so that you can see the partnerships that I've done in the past. And this is important because they're going to want to see who's worked with you and how it went, stuff like that. So here I'm just adding a couple. And I like to use their logo because it's like more professional. So just Google that and crop it down. And then here's where I list all of my deliverables. So I'm just kind of putting like, let's work together, and then you're gonna see like different things that I offer, like Instagram Reels, Instagram carousels. And here I'm just doing it really quickly, as you can see, just so you know exactly what you need to do. And you're gonna kind of explain like IG carousel, in-feed post, 3 to 5 images, whatever you wanna offer basically. So that's why I put whatever you offer, because I wanna leave it open-ended for you guys. And then anything other than those things you can add down in the bottom. Like for me, I put bundled content at a discounted rate, just ask, or something like that. You can add more photos at the bottom just for more examples. But that's basically it. You would just save it from there as a PDF. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and comment anything down below.